Like humans, dogs possess 5 basic senses: sight, smell, hearing, touch, and taste. Some are more advanced than humans, while others are less efficient, and that's because dogs' senses are tailored to their needs. Sense of smell is the most developed sense of a dog. It is also the most heavily used sense. In fact, smell is to dogs what sight is to humans. A dog's sense of smell could be 10,000 to 100,000 times stronger than humans. Although they have smaller brains, the part of the brain that controls smell is much bigger and expanded than the human's one. They also have a large number of scent glands and olfactory receptors for smell. With their exceptional sense of smell, dogs can detect a wide variety of substances, such as drugs, explosives, gases, etc. They could detect changes in the environment long before humans, such as rain, storms, earthquakes, etc. They could even predict certain diseases in humans, like cancer, blood sugar level, and seizures. Puppies are born deaf and cannot hear anything for the first few weeks after birth. However, once they develop their sense of hearing, it surpasses humans. Amid dog senses, hearing is the second most developed. They hear sounds at a much higher volume and frequency. The hearing frequency range of dogs can be as wide as 65,000 Hz, compared to humans' 20,000 Hz. The structure and position of their ears allow them to gather more sound waves, even from a far distance. They could hear a distant thunder that's inaudible to humans. Dogs have 18 muscles in their ears, while humans have only 6. In fact, the sensitive ears of dogs can hear sounds that are not loud enough for us. Dogs' eyesight is not as developed as humans, but it suits their needs. Dogs are not colorblind, they just have a different color pattern. They could see blue, yellow, and gray colors. Their vision is much better at night, rather than in broad daylight. They could also see much clearly at dawn and dusk. The position of their eyes allowed them to see movements rather than focusing on objects. They have excellent peripheral vision. Their eyes have a broader view angle, sometimes up to 270 degrees, which is much wider than humans. Touch is one of the first senses that a puppy develops at birth. During the first few weeks, when puppies cannot hear or see, they rely heavily on their sense of touch. A dog's skin is covered with touch-sensitive nerves. They have multiple types of touch receptors for different purposes such as pain, body movement, temperature, etc. They also have whiskers, also called vibrissae, on their muzzle and jaws, which they use to communicate with the outside world. Puppies develop an emotional bond with their mother through touch. It is also important to make them familiar with the human touch from birth. When it comes to the sense of taste, humans have an edge over dogs. Dogs only have around 1,700 taste buds, whereas humans have 9,000 taste buds. However, that doesn't mean dogs don't taste anything. Studies have shown that dogs could identify sweet, salty, sour, and bitter tastes. Dogs also have a special taste bud for water. They have taste buds on the tip and back of the tongue. However, when eating, their sense of smell plays a more decisive role than taste, and that's why they will swallow almost anything that looks like food to them.